Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olamide Ajayi. I know it's been a while I've given you guys tutorial and I'm here today with another tutorial. This is a braided ponytail for kids. If you don't have time to make your daughter's hair, this is an easy style to do. You just have to pack it and just put this at the tip of your daughter's hair and you can style it to your choice and you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. So I don't have a lot of explanation to do. I will just allow you guys to enjoy and watch the video. I know you will understand it better by watching the video. And please, if you like it, liking a video is free. Please like. You can also leave a comment, and if you are new here, I hope you like this content, and you can also check out my other tutorials and my other contents. If you like them, please subscribe, join the family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. It means a lot. I appreciate it. I see you. God bless you. Let me allow you guys to watch this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I love you.